What's good with y'all? What's good? What's good? What's good with y'all? What's good? What's good? We tuning in for another video, man. And y'all know today we're gonna test and tune Altran test and tune day. I just picked up Meech. I was gonna start the vlog earlier, but I just picked up Meech and I thought about it. I said, let me go ahead and start the vlog up. So I'm gonna throw that in. Y'all see Meech down there. Just moved Big Dolo. Finna move Altran out, let Altran stay out, unless I gotta hit my fan Rico. I think we're gonna mess with it. We still gonna test tune. We test tune no matter what. So test tune Altran and see what's up, and then you know we're gonna see how everything go, man. We'll see how everything go. But let me get this thing backed up and check back in with y'all. I'm trying to think if I need to update y'all on something else. Oh yeah, the carburetors car, they get gone fast. People be wondering what I got left. That carburetor, he got to pick it up. Customer, he got to pick her up. Y'all see some stuff gone. The Edelbrock got sold. One of the Edelbrock 650 is sold. So I got just 3. I got that's ready. 750 double pumper, 850 double pumper, 1050 Dominator for double pumper as well. And I got 600. I got an Edelbrock 600. I'm putting together to well, that's sold. That's sold. I'm sorry. Somebody bought that before I even got it ready. But I got a Holly 600. I'm putting together tonight. I'm gonna have one more Edelbrock 600 CFM. And I may have an Edelbrock 750 CFM. I got to see if I can get it clean, bring it back to life, but, you know. But anyway, man, let me move Altran out, put Meech in, and check back in. All right, so we got Altran back in, man, and I was gonna test today and give y'all fresh test footage, but man, I crunk it up, and then I said, oh man, this thing smoking. That thing is smoking, man. It's the transmission blowing fluid out. So I said, man, the more I think about it, y'all, I'm really gonna build a whole car. I mean, just being real, I'm building a whole car all over again, man. I got the except the engine, but I'm still gonna remix the engine. It's some stuff need to be adjusted, like the linkage and stuff need to be adjusted and all. It just looks little simple stuff right now, but I'm gonna make that better too. But as far as the car, I'm gonna end up doing everything. Cause I already called DJ. Cause the transmission is it pushing fluid out and it had a puddle. It had a little. It be leaving puddles. So I like it just getting worse. So I like okay, you got that. The engine does not stay cool as it should. So I think the water pump going out, which I told y'all that. So basically, man, y'all know we redoing the whole water cooling system. You already knew that. So that's coming. That's next in line, redoing the whole cooling system. Then I'm redoing all the suspension. That's what I said. I'm really doing the whole car. Now the transmission, we're going to put a Showtime transmission in it. So this whole car going to be different. The interior already different. The tack different. The drive shaft coming out. So it like, I'm just doing it over. So I'm starting with a engine and a body. Starting with an engine and a roller. I put new wheels on it. The rear end coming out. Y'all know the rear end coming out. Only things I'm not gonna have to touch is the front brakes. The front brakes are jam up. I like that. Front brakes jam up. But new rear end, new drive shaft, the exhaust straight. So I got the exhaust straight too. Headers, I'm changing the headers because these are headers that's for really not designed to be hooked up with exhaust. So I'm changing the headers. I'm literally changing everything. I'm building the car, man. That's all I got right there. I got that and this. But we're gonna test, but we're gonna continue on into the rest of what we got shaking. So y'all just stay tuned. I'm gonna turn y'all on in a few. All right, everybody, we're checking in. So y'all can see, man, I'm in motion. I'm on the road. Since we didn't get a chance to test, so I said I'm gonna take y'all along with me through the rest of this day and what I got going on. So still getting pieces together for the Monte Carlo, for Altran, of course. So I found a good deal on some seat belts, which I was gonna get the seat belts from the other guy, but he just taking too long, man. I mean, you know, communication and stuff just ain't there as far as, you know, timely and stuff. So I found some. The good Lord put something in front of it, man. So for the same price and in good condition. You know, everybody can use a little cleaning, but they look better than what I have in there. So I'm going to grab them. They got all the pieces. They got the covers on them and stuff too. So I think one of mine's can't remember. But anyway, I'm going to grab these seat belts, man. And I told y'all I'm chipping away at the interior. Then ultimately I'm gonna do a grand total cost of what I have in the interior, and you know how you can go about it a budget way. So that's what we got going on right now, man. It's an hour out, so I'm about 30 minutes away now. And when I get them, I'll turn y'all back on and show y'all what we got. So y'all stay tuned. All right, y'all, we're checking in. So we back. These the seat belts. This the pickup, man. They nicer than what I thought, man. I mean, they you know, they use a little cleaner, but compared to what's in their car, these are clean. And then what I got them for, cause look at the covers are perfect. Love that. And see, he actually only had one, which this is the passenger side. But I got the driver's side, so it's all good. I got both of them. But see, he got the factory cover. People take these things out and then they just get to removing stuff. Like, I don't need it no more. I like all that. I put all that back. The cover right there, you know, when people get to taking stuff loose, and I'm people too. I used to do that too. They get to removing everything, but he didn't have that. Which I don't know why they kind of odd. Right there. All you need you a big Phillips head screwdriver. Take that off. I like to put that back, man, but I wish he had that, or I might just buy the cover. You know, it'll make it a little neater. But these things here in perfect shape. The retractors work real good. That's the back right here. Did what I needed. I really just needed these, cause it missing one on the driver's side. But I got all of them, so we're gonna replace all of them. Good seat belts match the pretty seats. So, but what I'm gonna do now, I just built this Edelbrock. Customer had bought it before I even got finished with it, so I'm about to pop it on the car and get it dialed in so I can get it boxed up and ready to ship. And man, y'all wouldn't believe. I need to show before and after on this, cause this thing here down the hill, this whole carburetor was dirty. Like, stuff come back, colors and stuff. That thing was dirty. I had to get a linkage kit, cause them arms right there were missing. These two over here. But took it all apart, man. He ready to roll. I'm finna pop it on the car. And I'm gonna be honest, I'm not a fan of Edelbrocks. All right, my bad, y'all. Camera cut off. But what I was saying is I'm not a fan of these for performance, but for riding around and stock engines, hey, they some great carburetors. They run good, isn't it? I actually sell a lot of them. I sell a lot of these in 600s, cause more people don't need them big 650s and all that other stuff. But I'm finna get this on the car. I was hoping I had a plug, cause I always have to use the plug, but luckily I had an extra pack. I thought ahead, so now it saved me a trip from the store. But I am gonna have to go get two more. So I got two more Edelbrocks. So I'm gonna get this done. Y'all stay tuned. All right, everybody, we checking in. So look, man, I'm still rolling. We're on the interior hunt for Airtran. So I'm gonna show y'all the new pickup today, man. I just got it just now, just got back. Went to summer racing, but whoo, look at this. I told y'all, man, I'm gonna put this interior together piece by piece, man. I said this was a great pickup. A great pickup. When I say this center console is perfect, I mean it's perfect. It's perfect. Usually right here, man, these things here disintegrated. The padding up here, usually disintegrated. And in all honesty, all the cars I own, I never had one this nice. Y'all see it? The button work, it latch. Came out of 41,000 mile car, man, and it's nice. I told y'all, Airtran, little by little, I'm gonna put this car together. I told people to build before the build, man. I cannot wait to see this interior all come together, man. I really can't wait, y'all. The seats made a big difference already. But see, look at it. That one versus the one that's about to go in here. Man, that is, and I'm just looking at it, that's a, hold on, that's a different, it is. It's a different console right here. I don't even know if this the one for that, but boy, that was finna be, look, you see that? This whole different center console right there. I just noticed that. That one different. Oh, yeah, it is. Man, what up? I'm telling y'all. I told them that button worked. I just showed the BCG fan. I said, y'all, what y'all see that gray carpet go in there? And we got new seat belts. See, I'm gonna sell these. See, yeah, exactly. Yeah, let me get another. So my new ones got the covers on them. Man, this car is gonna be nice. This car gonna be clean. Then when I get that done, I'm gonna order the dome light today. I supposed to been did. Dome light, them over there perfect. I need these pieces. I need these right here, man. It snagged my door panel a little bit. I hate that. So these the last, yeah, I got them up there. I need these pillar pieces right here. Right here. When I get that, yeah, can I see that right there? Yeah, I need that pillar piece right there. When I get that, I'm gonna be in there. Yeah, cause the rest of it there. Then we set that console in there, man. We finna be dead in the game, y'all. We finna be in the game, man. We finna be in the game. I think I'm getting new vents too. But I can't wait. We ain't got a chance to get to that yet, cause my friend Rick, man, he been working far away from home right now. But oh, I found it too. I found this piece. Let me see. Well, I got the old one right here. There it is. I found this piece, man. Black and gray. Good shape. I mean, amazing shape. See, mine got little sticky stuff. There were the stickers on there, but all I'm have to do is cut these out. Again, use this as a template. But I got one. See, they're just sitting up there. The clips broke and stuff. So, see, right there. There were all the clips supposed to be in there. That one broke. That one broke. So, let me see. Yeah, see, they supposed to be like that, but man, I got this piece. I think I'm gonna go ahead and order it tonight. And then what I'm gonna do, y'all see the center console I just bought. It's it got the black and red. So what I'm gonna do is get the piece right here and change it to the black and gray. And I found I'm gonna get this too. I'm gonna get this trim too. I'm gonna get this brand new. And then I'll be ready to roll. So all I gotta hunt down now, I got that piece. I found that piece, which I might order as soon as I cut the clip. I gotta find this piece right here. See, chill. I gotta find this piece, once I do that, I'm gonna mount all of this stuff right. Like that's my fuel pump just hanging, but y'all know it was like that when I bought it. So I'm gonna get all that, and then we're gonna, for one, we're gonna have a vent right there. I'm gonna have the indicator thing right there. See, right now it ain't nothing back there. I'm gonna fix all of that. I got the AC control to put back right there. It just ain't here yet. The guy gotta ship it to me. I got the bezel trim, y'all know that. And then all I'm have to do is get this piece right here to cover that, or it might come when I get a dashboard car. I made my mind up. I was gonna do that cover, but I done went that far. I'm gonna go ahead and buy a dash. I'm gonna buy a whole dash and get somebody I know that knows how to put it in. So I'm gonna get a dash and just do the whole dash, man. I'm changing the whole dashboard and do it like that. So and I think while I'm at it, I'm gonna change these screws too. Put new screws, cause they're just simple stuff. This stuff that you can do, man, they don't cost a little nothing. The sun visors look pretty good. This one probably could change the board on it, cause it's flapping right there. So I might change the board on that, but same time, I really don't care, cause I ain't trying to make it perfect. And the headliner, I already got my guy Alex gonna do that. And we're gonna have the interior done. So once the interior done, we're gonna move to the next step. The steering wheel need to be rerouted. I actually like the steering wheel now. I like that. It need to be rerouted. But it gonna look like something. It's gonna look like something, man, cause look at this. This thing here perfect though. And it's the right console. This what it's supposed to be. So little by little, man, we're gonna get to it, get to work. I'm gonna pop these things in. I don't know when. And I know, man, some on the light, it look like they might be a little dirty, but they actually pretty clean. It's just the light and what the camera do. Like that look dirty, but it ain't. These things ready. Only piece that he didn't have with the seat belts was this right here, which was the driver's side. But I have that, so ain't no problem. So yeah, we're gonna get a day when we get this thing assembled and back together and all of that. So y'all stay tuned. I'll turn y'all on in a few. All right, we checking in, y'all. I thought about it. I said, I ain't even get ready to close the vlog out from BCG fam, man. It just ain't a lot that happened this vlog, but it was a lot of part pickups and stuff. But I told y'all, man, I try to keep y'all in the loop every step of the way. I know y'all be wanting to see me daily vlog and all that good stuff and everything. And you know, all of that, man. But it's late night. We finna get, well, it ain't late night, but it's late for our workout. And we finna get ready to get to it, man, wife. She over there on the phone, yeah, texting that drop. Look at her trying to show off. Yeah. Boom.
Not getting a workout, y'all.
What you finna do in here, play around?
No. Yeah, I be going hard. I really do. I'm tired. Really.
You see, she about tired. She about ready.
Yeah, I am tired. Yeah, it's been a busy day for real.
She been running around. She been driving her Cutlass here all day.
And driving with it too.
She been riding in that Cutlass, boy. So, man, we finna get to it. Y'all know I appreciate y'all. We're gonna keep it rolling. We hitting the track tomorrow and meet and all that. So, I appreciate y'all. I'm gonna catch y'all later. BCG, we out.